That's right, I'm over here. You're seeing me right now in this degraded form, or is it depraved? I'm not sure. Through a phone line, that's right. This is video phone technology, or QUCMe. You may well have heard about it. If you haven't, who cares? You're going to hear about it now. Excuse me. Excuse me, my man. Thanks. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. Thanks. Whoa, how you doing? Scott. How you doing? Nice to see you. Now, Scott, you're with IBM. In what department do you work?
Yes, I'm a development engineer with Aptiva.
Okay, so you're an actual engineer. You develop all kinds of technology. What is this little baby you're going to show me today?
This is Videophone. And what we have here is through plain old telephone service, we're able to dial to another system like you see over here and make a Videophone connection where we actually can send full duplex audio and full duplex video, both directions.
Okay, full duplex, you say?
Yes, meaning indeed you see yourself and they see you and you see them.
Okay, has this in the past been called QUCMe?
CUCMe is, I think, another technology, maybe internet-based, I'm not sure. But it's a little bit different than this. This actually goes directly point to point, and it's H324 standard compliant.
Okay, I know that in the UK, I've seen video phones. Many companies manufacture them. I know the quality is not always good. The delay is not always very friendly to the user. How have you got over those problems?
Well, we have partnered with Intel using their ProShare technology. We have a very fast computer here, a Pentium 166. We do all of the compression and signal processing there. And through the direct modem connection, we're able to get very good quality, as you see here.
Okay, so what we're seeing here, obviously I was standing in this area before. Could you just get a shot of this? Could you come on in there, Paul? I was standing just around here before, wasn't I?
Yes.
And this is obviously where you are. There, in fact, there's the cameraman filming us right now. You're on TV, matey. This is going down a phone line, correct?
Yes, it is. 28.8 modem connection.
A 28.8, so it's not even that 33 that everyone's talking about now that you've got in America?
No. This technology is actually about 6 months old. We put these out, we made a limited run of them, got ourselves familiar with the technology, and then rolled it forward to the S-Series MMX machines that you see over there.
That's your all singing, all dancing machine.
Yes,
I mean, but again, I say that anyone, no matter what computer they've got, even if they've got a Macintosh, they can use this kind of stuff, can they?
If it's H324 standard compliant, then they can connect with us, yes.
Okay, H324 standard compliant. What does that mean?
This is a video phone. This is a video phone standard.
Right.
I've seen some other machines or some other introductions here at the show with like set-top box video phones. They're also H324 standard compliant. It means that you can call us, make a connection, and see what you see here.
Okay, sounds good. Let's get into the software. Let's have a look at what this thing does. Could you tell me some of the functions?
Okay, well, one of the things that we offer, because the data capacity line is so limited, we have to do a lot of compression to fit all that data through. We allow you to decide a little bit about what you do with that compression. You can choose here to go to the extreme of a very sharp image. You'll see this sharpen up very much here in a second, at the expense of frame rate. Right?
So you lose your frame rate. So obviously we're used to on television, a very healthy frame rate so that we move in real time.
25 frames a second, yes, indeed.
25 cents, okay.
Right.
And in video games, we sometimes get a similar output to that, don't we?
Yeah. Yes, indeed.
Sometimes maybe about 18.
Yeah.
What's this one right now?
This worst case is 4 frames a second, best case is 11 frames a second, right? We're probably down around 6 or 4 here at this clarity extreme. I can go to the other extreme where we'll get very good motion. And you see people walking through the image now, you see good motion, somewhat at the expense of clarity. So it's a trade-off that we make, allowing you to decide how you use that data capacity.
Is that a feature that's unique to this software, or are other people doing that as well?
I think it's a feature unique to this software.
Okay. What kind of uses does this application have?
Well, one of the more common ones that we expect is families separated across the country. Grandparents and grandchildren. It's very easy to use. You just make a normal audio phone connection and bring this window up, press start video. After about 15 seconds or so of modem tones and nasty stuff like that, you get your full duplex audio back, and then your video shows up.
It's amazing stuff that in such a short space of time, the quality's improved, because I have to be honest, I've seen this stuff. I saw it about a couple of years ago. In fact, I used it on a TV show, and it was nowhere near the quality of this. It is slightly degraded though, isn't it? Do you think that the market is still waiting for the kind of video quality that we're used to with television and home video and so on?
Tough to say.
Yeah, it's tough to say. But if you've got a document, say, to show someone, if you want to show them some numbers, if you want to show them, say, a passport, you could slow this the frame rate down, couldn't you, and just have a still?
Well, indeed, we have a still feature right here. It's called Snapshot. And you can come in, grab an individual frame, just like a digital camera.
Oh, can we do one? Can I actually take my photo?
Yes, indeed. Here, step right.
Excuse me, Mr. Cameraman, I'm just going to get my photo taken.
There you go.
Okay, I'm doing it.
All right.
Take photo now.
And here's Here's our snapshot. You can see that right
Look,
there.
isn't that amazing? The clarity is superb. You've even got the well-known shine on the forehead there.
And I could press send, and it would go to the other end and look just like you see it here.
Okay. Is there any way that? Oh, sorry, you were about to say.
And these are saved in a catalog as well, so you can have them. You can save them as bitmaps, put them into emails.
So you can actually save this as a bitmap, put it into a Photoshop technology, and you can actually print it out, play with it. I can give myself hair.
Indeed.
So it's like having a small digital camera, yeah?
Indeed. Yes.
Okay. So there are many systems like this available, but this one by IBM is actually integrated as part of a whole PC setup, isn't it?
Yes, indeed. The
new
whole
S
system together.
The new S series, which comes out in the spring in the UK, will feature this technology.
We've taken this technology and rolled it forward in the S series MMX machines.
Sounds great, and that will retail in the US for about $2,300, yeah?
Sounds about right.
Okay. Scott, thank you for being so helpful. And what I'm going to do, if you don't mind, I'm just going to spend some time here, taking some more pictures, maybe print them out, send them to my fans. Yeah, I'll be doing 2 photos.